First of all, we can make the rectangle in here. We can use this one. Okay, we can make the rectangle with any size. Then now we can click and push it up here. Okay, and double click, right click, and make group. And then now we can make the another wall in here. Okay, we can push it up in here. And double click, right click, and also make group here. And then now we can make the plane again. We can make slab and make the slab anyway. Triple click, right click, and make group. Then now we can make the circle in here. Then now we can make the line. We can make the line in here until to the position in here. And now we can make the curve to 2-point arc. You can click all of the line in here and select the follow me and click the surfaces in here, and it will be like this. And double click, right click, and also make curve in here. Okay, and after that now we can make the materials in here. We can assign about the materials just like this, or we can assign with these materials in here. Okay, and now we can make the another one. We can make the another big one, and we can make the line in here. Okay, and place the position in here, and make the 2-point arc. Okay, and click the line. Okay, and select the follow me and click this one, and double click, right click, and also make group and assign about the materials. So we can choose the another materials, and we can select it 1000 millimeter or more. Okay, it's like this, or we can type of 5000 millimeter approximately in here. And then now we can make the another one again here. Can make the another medium size of the pipe again. Okay, and then now we can make the line in here. Okay, and make the curve. Okay, and select the line, and select the line in here, and select the follow me, and just click this one. Then double click, right click, and make group. So then we can select this one. Okay, or maybe we can select the appropriate one in here with another type. Okay, and then now we can triple click. Sorry, we can duplicate in here, and now we can duplicate it again in here, and duplicate it again in here, and select move tab control, and just place on the position in here. Okay, so then now we can make the another something. We can make this another something in here with using the rectangle or another things in here. Now we can right click and make group. Okay, now we can just push, and we can just push in here. Okay, you can push in here and just push in here. Okay, I think that was enough, and then now we can put the another materials just like this, or the another materials like this. Okay, and now we can put the materials it also in here. Okay, this is how to make the piping, the multi piping in SketchUp in here. Okay, thank you for watching.